Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be working on the 82 Collectors Edition, and I'm going to be changing, well, I'm going to change them, they're missing on here. I'm going to be putting the T-top edge piece on these T-tops. When I got it, they were missing, so I got a kit from Top Flight, and I'm going to put them on. Okay, so the kit comes with two outer trim pieces and the adhesive molding that you need to put it on. So that's what I'm gonna go check it all out, see if there's directions and see what we need to do. Okay, the kit requires you to remove the T-top and work from a bench. When I get done, I'm going to adjust these roofs. These roofs are not properly set, so I'm gonna try to properly adjust them, but that'll be the second part of the video. So I've removed the top and made a workstation with some blanket down to protect the top. I'm going to work from the top and then I'll flip it over from there. Okay, the rubber doesn't look like it has to go down any special way, right or left. Just fit it onto the glass and go from there. So you work the molding all the way around, and after it's down, you stick the glue underneath it. Okay, so now you're supposed to let this stuff sit for 12 hours, and then from there you can kind of pull off any of the excess glue. So I'm just going to let it sit on the car. And there's little spots like that you just kind of rub off. But just go back, make sure it's tacked up and staying in place. Once it's cured, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. But looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than it did. So I'm going to leave this video here. I'm going to do another video about how to adjust the roofs on another day. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you soon.